Hi mathematicians, today we are on lesson 9.1 in your Go Math book, Measure with a Centimeter Model, on page 445. And our question is this: how do you use a centimeter model to measure the lengths of objects? Okay, so today it wants us to use these little unit cubes that we usually have in class, but since we are at home, we do not have them. I'm just going to jump straight into measuring with centimeters. Okay, so you have your inch ruler, and these are the inches. This is the inch side. But now if you flip it over to your other side, these are centimeters. As you can see, 1 centimeter is smaller than an inch. Okay, much smaller than an inch. So we are going to use this side to measure, not our inch side. We are going to use the centimeter side, cm. Okay, so when I measure, it wants me to measure this piece of yarn. I'm going to line it up, edge, right where my little black tick is, tick mark, that thick black tick, right with the edge of the yarn piece. And then I'm going to see that it is up to the 4. So it is 4 centimeters long. So I'm going to write that. 4. And I'm going to cross this out because we aren't doing unit cubes because we are not at school. Centimeters long. Okay. Now let's move on to this green one. Same thing. I'm using my centimeter side of my ruler. And now you can't be using your tape measure. That's why I switched to a ruler, because they don't really show all the centimeters. Some do, some do not. Okay, so on here I can see it's about 7 centimeters long. Okay, I just hit it with my finger, but it lands right about there. 7 centimeters long. Okay, 7. We do cm to represent centimeters long. Okay, that's our unit. Let's measure this blue one. Okay, I can see it's about 5 centimeters long. Cross this out. 5 centimeters long. You always need to do the unit measurement with your number. Okay, so let's move on. Same thing it's telling you here. It says a unit cube is about 1 centimeter long. Okay, that's if we were using cubes, which we are not. About how many centimeters long is this string? Okay, it shows you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You would need 11 little unit cubes along this whole thing to measure the length. Okay, so it equates to 11 centimeters long. But remember, we're skipping the little model part and we're moving on to just using our rulers. Okay, use a unit cube. Nope, use a ruler. Okay, use a ruler. Oh, my writing is messy today. Excuse me. Okay, measure the length in centimeters. Oh, we will. Let's go here. Edge to edge. I see it's at the 13. About 13 centimeters. Okay, next one. I hope you like measuring, because I do. I think it's pretty fun. It's a cool little math activity. Okay, so I can see that this one is 8 centimeters long. Okay, and last one. Super quick. I can see that it's 10 centimeters long. Okay, mathematicians, you're up.